Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Did you know you can shop on Amazon and pay using Western Union? It's not direct, but here's how you can do it in two simple ways. Step 1. Buy an Amazon gift card. Find a retailer that accepts Western Union payments and send your payment and receive the gift card. Redeem it on Amazon and you are ready to shop. Step 2. Use a prepaid debit card, load money onto the card through Western Union, activate it, and use it to pay on Amazon like a regular debit card. And that's it. Two quick and easy ways to pay Amazon using Western Union. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.